Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great day and a great Sunday. Well, today, as you can see, we have an unbagging. That means we have a review. So let's find out what is in the bag. And it's one of those lovely padded bags. All right, well, we have 2 cross-stitch kits, and these come, hold please, these come from GBFKE, so we will take the one on top. Let me get it out of the bag. I'll be right back. All right, so this one is a cat. It is 11 count, and it is 50 by 50, 170 by 170, and it was $10.78. It is a Mona Lisa kit, and it is cotton. Had to look, not silk. But yeah, isn't that beautiful? Look at all those gorgeous, gorgeous colors in there. My goodness gracious, just very colorful. But I don't know if that's going to be black or 939 or 823 or a combination of all three, but we will look. Let me just set that up there so nothing happens to it. I've never had this kind of a paper. Well, I guess I have, but it's a little bit different. It has 35 colors. It does have how big it is, 170 by 170 up there. Not seeing anything else, but it is all on one page. Very easy to read. And I don't know if the symbols will match or anything yet. I'll tell you that here in a second. But we have 310 black. We have 321, which is Christmas red. 498, which is a brick red. And 666 as a bright red in this, and 814, which is kind of a bright brick red, if you will, and no 939. Does have 996, which is that lovely turquoise color that I love, and we have 370, which is a butter color. 3770, I think that's a butter color. And no 3865, so I don't know what they're using for the white. Number 3, oh, the background is all in black. All that yellow is black. And you're going to have to stitch all that black only because it'll just make everything else pop. So very nicely printed pattern. Very easy to see symbols. We're just going to set that aside. And this is instructions on how to start, how to finish. So those come in most kits these days. Let's take a look at the colors and what we have here. We have a toolkit with 4 needles, a needle threader, poof ball, and a thimble. We'll set that aside. And the colors are on, there's your black, a thread card. But look at these bright, bright, vivid, beautiful colors. There is 321, 498, 666 red, and 814. So lots of reds in it, and oranges, turquoise. Beautiful colors. There's that butter color I was talking about. So maybe that's what they're using for a white-ish. But beautiful, stunning, gorgeous, gorgeous colors. And it does come with a hank of 310 black. So there should be 40 strands of black here. Looks like a full hank. Beautiful. Just stunning, stunning colors. Let me set that up there out of my way. I saw something. There is an extra needle. This doesn't act like a Mona Lisa kit at I don't know. Maybe it does. Yeah, because I had that. I don't know. It just seems different. Let me find a home for that needle. We're just going to put it right there instead of fighting with that. Nice big key, though. Very well printed. And it kind of scared me when I saw that from the back. It looks like it's been wet, but it's like the colors have saturated into the canvas. Usually that doesn't happen on Mona Lisa. But, oh yeah, I was going to look at the pattern. And yes, paper pattern will match the canvas for colors and symbols, I mean. So, yeah, good. That's always a good thing. It is serged all the way around. Let me see what this measures out to. It's kind of stiffish fabric, but I do like this fabric because it breaks down really fast so that, you know, it's easier to hang on to. 47 centimeters or 18.5 inches. Now, this way it is 47.5 centimeters or almost 18 3/4. Did I read that wrong? Excuse me. Nope, it was almost 47. Okay. Actual picture size is, approximately 39 centimeters or almost 15.5 inches by 15 1/4 inches or a little over 38.5 centimeters. So it's fair good size, but there are some nice big parts in this, so it's going to be real easy to stitch. There's no back stitching, there's no half cross stitches or French knots, just straight up cross stitch. And lovely, beautiful, printed, very easy to see. Symbols, yeah. I like the colors in this. I just fell in love with the colors. Now the next one, I got my doubts about, okay? When you see it, you'll know it. You know what I mean? I was not real sure about this. Sorry, my throat was dry. I need to drink a Coca-Cola. All right. So it's fair good size. It is 41 by 50. Joy Sunday. $10.78 as well. Okay, let me put that up there. It comes in the lovely Joy Sunday bag. Look how pixelated that picture is. Why? I don't understand. And I want to see if it's going to be as more beautiful than the picture, shall we say? And every one of them pictures looks like that. It's just freakish. Because it looks like something that's supposed to be maybe about, what is that, 8 by 10? That is pixelated, doesn't have any back stitching. You know what I mean? That kind of a picture. So, beautiful. It's a beautiful picture, but I just want it to be better than it's presenting itself. It's 180 stitches by 230. We have 2 sets of numbers. This has back stitching and full stitch. That's it. We have a total of 50 colors. 50 colors in full stitch, 3 colors in back stitch. We have no 310 black. We have 321 again, Christmas red, 498, brick red, no 823, no 939, no 3371. We have 3777, which is another brick red, and we have 3799, which is that pewter color, and we have B5200 for the white. So top is the canvas symbols, and the bottom is, no, top is the paper pattern symbols, bottom is the canvas symbols. So I just slip this back into the plastic bag so that I can see that while I'm stitching, and it really helps to know what is what. So yeah, and this is printed on, did I miss something? Nope. Okay, so this is the top of it, and you flip it over, and this is the bottom of it. It's just a very big pattern. I don't understand. I'm confused. I am confused, and it seems quite light. I mean, the printing on this, but it has not been wet, so yeah, I'll try to hold it as still as I possibly can. But very pale. No half cross stitches, so not much to worry about. It does have 2 thread cards, and they're the good thread cards with all the information on them, and 2 needles. So here's your B5200. There's that pewter color that I was talking about. Kind of different colors. We have lots of greens, kind of, I don't know, pinks or salmons. There's that rustish red I was telling you about, that 3777. And this way, I'm looking to see what that color was. We have some buff colors, lighter colors, kind of paleys. Maybe that's for parts of the sky. Another, like a deep coral orangish. And teal. And kind of a brown. I wanted to know what that was. And we got purples. There's your reds, 303, 321, and 498. Just beautiful for the telephone booth thing. I believe that's what that is. Very nice. Pretty colors. Some of them are pale and some of them are a little bit darker. So, yeah. Let's take a look at the canvas. 14 count. Holy cow. And it is straight up and down. Now, the ink on this one has not gone through. So just fairly light right there, but I don't know if it's because I'm showing the light through it, but it didn't bleed through on the back of the canvas. Lots of big areas, but they all seem to kind of run in rivers of color. I don't know if I can. It's very pale. Very, very pale. But, I mean, the symbols aren't hard to see or read or know what anything is. Very nice. Nice big key, serged all the way around. Let us measure this. And it was supposed to be 41 by 50, so we have almost 49 3/4 or 19 and a half inches by 40 centimeters or 15 3/4 inches. Actual size is pretty close to 13 inches or almost 33 centimeters by almost 42 centimeters or 16 and a half inches. And it's a full coverage. There's no white parts in this that I am seeing at all. So, yeah, it'll be different, huh? I don't know, it's just a big blown up pattern. I hope it won't look, what do you call it? It won't look pixelated. I couldn't think of the words I wanted. So, very well printed. I don't know what else to say about it. It's just, I got nothing on how it's going to look. How's that? So, I hope it doesn't turn out pixelated. I'm just a little gun shy, Now, that is all that I got from GBFKE. Thank you, GBFKE, for the 2 beautiful kids. Just absolutely gorgeous. In colors, and I don't know about composition. I love that cat, though. Now, they have cross-stitch diamond painting, and they have tools and crafts for the cross-stitch, and of course they have beaded cross-stitch, Mona Lisa, spring. They have all the big names. And they always have great prices, and I'm not sure if they're having a Black Friday sale. So all that information will be in the description box below and in the beginning of the video. So do check that out. And thank you everyone for joining me today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.